Okay, it is December 19th, 2009, approximately 11 p.m., and we are in the middle of a blizzard. We've had about 2 feet of snow today alone, and it's supposed to stop tomorrow morning. And the snow is about up to my knees, which is at least about 2 feet deep. Or at least, I'm not that tall, but it's a good estimate. In fact, there's so much snow that this particular pile here is my car. My Saturn SL2 is now completely submerged in snow, except for the mirror here. That's a lot of snow. It's more snow than I've ever seen here. And it has completely covered my car. My car is now a pile of snow. Not that I'm going anywhere. Even if I wanted to, I couldn't, as I just had my wisdom teeth removed and I'm on painkillers. So yeah, that's a lot of snow, and it doesn't look like I'm going anywhere anytime soon.